Clouds and its types. Physical geography. What is the cloud? A cloud is an accumulation or grouping of small droplets of water and ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere of the Earth. They are masses of enormous density and quantity, and are therefore noticeable to naked eyes. They play various roles in the climate system, such as being the bright objects in the visible portion of the solar spectrum, reflecting light to space effectively, and thus helping the planet to cool down. How are they formed? When the air is saturated or filled with water vapor, clouds are created. There is more water vapor in the warm air than cold air. Being formed of humid air, it is cloudy. When the moist air is progressively cooled, the water vapor and ice crystals of these clouds become larger and fall on Earth's surface as precipitation in the form of rain, drizzle, snowfall, sleet, or hail. Why clouds appear white in color? The clouds generally appear white because the small droplets of water and ice crystals inside them are densely packed, reflecting most of the sunlight falling on these masses, scattering. The cloud particles disperse all light colors equally, making the viewer perceive all sunlight as white light. Why they are dark in color at the time of rain? Due to their particulate density, the clouds appear dark or gray in color at the moment of rain. The water vapor binds together the raindrops, leaving larger spaces in between the drops of water. Due to this, less amount of light is reflected, which emits a darker appearance of the rain clouds. Types of clouds. Various kinds of clouds exist. They vary in size, shape, or color from each other. They are basically classified into two types. 1. Based on their shape. 2. Based on their altitude. Clouds on the basis of their shapes. 1. Cirrus. 2. Cumulus. 3. Stratus. Cirrus clouds. Cirrus is an atmospheric cloud generally characterized by thin, wispy strands. It derives its name from the Latin word cirrus, which means a ringlet or curling lock of hair. Cumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds have flat bases and are as puffy, cotton-like, or fluffy in appearance. Their name derives from the Latin cumulo, meaning heap or pile. Stratus clouds. Stratus clouds have a uniform foundation of horizontal layers. The word stratus is derived from the Latin prefix strato, meaning layer. The term stratus represents flat, hazy, featureless clouds of low altitude, varying in color from dark gray to white.